You've said a couple of times on vaccines that the work continues across summer months after the July 4th holiday. Will we hear from the president today a new date that is the next target date to get to a certain percentage of Americans vaccinated? Is there a new timeline?
I don't expect a new goal to be set today. What I will tell you is that our work is going to continue person by person, community by community, and we're going to meet people where they are. That's what he's going to talk about, and he's going to continue to use resources from the federal government, empowering doctors, empowering key voices in communities, and that's what you'll hear him talk about today.
You said earlier about not changing minds. I think it was in response to a question. We had a poll out this weekend with the Washington Post that said 3 in 10 adults say they haven't gotten a coronavirus vaccine and definitely or probably will not get one. Does the White House have a sense of a number of how many persuadable people there actually are out there, and how do you target just them if you can try and convince some of them?
Well, Karen, I'd first say if you go back to even 5 or 6 months ago, that percentage of people who were not planning to get the vaccine was even much higher than that. And what we've seen have an impact is as people get vaccinated in their communities, they tell their neighbor, they tell their friend. Primary care physicians tell people who are coming to their doctor's office to get checkups. Pharmacists in communities are calling their neighbors and saying, come on down, we have vaccines for you. We're seeing the impact of that. So we've seen actually even people who had no intention of getting the vaccine for a range of reasons. Maybe they didn't know how to get it. Maybe they didn't know where to get it. Maybe they were scared of the impacts, actually get vaccinated. And that to us is an encouraging sign that we can continue to press and make progress moving forward. Go ahead.
So, 2 questions. First, is there a target for herd immunity for COVID vaccines? Is it 75%, 80%? What is that goal for the administration right now?
Well, Dr. Fauci has addressed this a number of times and has conveyed that herd immunity is kind of an outdated term. So we had set a goal of reaching 70% of adults by July 4th. We reached that goal of adults 27 and older by that date, and we're continuing to press to reach it, and we will in the next couple of weeks for adults over the age of 18. But our work doesn't stop there, and we are going to continue to press to get 12 to 18-year-olds vaccinated, to continue to work with communities where there's lower vaccination rates. That's one of the reasons we initiated these strike forces to go into communities and work with them to determine what they need, to take a localized, specific approach that works with elected officials in communities. But I don't have a new goal to set for you. I would remind all of you that we have reduced the death rate by 90%. We've reduced the COVID rate by more than 90%. But again, we're going to continue to press ahead even after July 4th.